Now that summer is officially here, we're starting a new series called Refreshers. Today's refresher is made with pineapple, mango, and a tamarind simple syrup. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So we're first starting off with the tamarind simple syrup, and they come in these pods. Now this alone could be a snack. But that tamarind is slightly sweet, definitely have that sour note, and it's really gonna lend well to our pineapple mango refresher. Okay, first we wanna crack the shells. And if you want, you can remove the veins. Okay, so here we have our tamarind. I have about 20 here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the tamarind pods in a saucepan. And then to that, we're going to add 4 cups of water and about a cup of sugar. Now the basic ratio for a simple syrup is usually 3 to 1, meaning 3 parts liquid, 1 part sugar. And that's for a light syrup. If you want a more medium heavy syrup, do 2 to 1. But because I'm adding this to something that is already sweet, like the pineapple and the mango, I'm doing 4 to 1. I want to place this on the stove over medium heat and allow this to cook down into a nice light syrup. Okay, now we want to cut our fruit. First starting with a pineapple, and all we're going to do is we're going to trim the bottom as well as the top, cut off the skin. Okay, now we're going to cut it in half and then in quarters. Remove that core, and then we're going to cut into small chunks. Okay, now we want to do the mangoes. I have 3 beautiful mangoes. Okay, when it comes to cutting the flesh off the mango, the seed usually runs this way. So I'm going to cut along the side to remove that flesh on both sides. And then we're going to cut those in small chunks as well. Okay, now we're going to blend. I have my Vitamix blender here. I love this Vitamix because it's going to puree everything super smooth where I don't have to strain it. And so inside this blender, I'm going to add the pineapple as well as the mango. Okay, and to this, here I have the tamarind simple syrup, as well as 2 cups of ice. I'm going to place the lid, and then we're going to blend. Okay, now it's time to pour our pineapple, mango, tamarind refresher. Just gonna pour. Look at that color. Tell me that doesn't look refreshing. Sabroso.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.